Hello everyone, Shangli here, and today I'm going to talk about and discover a new Antminer machines from antminerfarm.com. So here their website. Let's scroll on to it and find the different machines on it. They got different designs. They got different power in it. Like here, you got multiple devices and multiple design right here. $1,800, $1,500. These are the different products right here. I have opened 4 products that I like personally, and I'll discuss on those. So first of all, I'll open it up, and I got my first one is Bitmain Antminer S17 Plus 73 Bitcoin miner. Why I choose it? This is a $2,000 machine, and this got multiple features. Right here you can calculate a crypto Bitcoin mining calculator. You can calculate right from this website, so you can get easily thing. So manufacturer is Bitmain, all the devices right from this manufacturer. Antminer, the model is Antminer S17 Plus. So the main thing is the weight, 11,000 grams. Noise level is 75 dB. Voltage is 12 volt, and the temperature is normal, and humidity between the 5 and 95. So this is a pretty good device that you can buy it. The second one in our list is we got the Bitmain Antminer S17 Pro. The last we check is S17 Plus. This one is S17 Pro. This will cost you 1,090 more than the other one. So why? Let's take a look on it. Why? We got the description right here, just like the calculator. On the other, look at that. It released on April 2019. Okay, chipboard 3 7nm chips. 7nm chip, a very quick device, and you can see that the temperature and power. Look at that, 2094 watt power, which is I think absolutely fantastic. So yeah, this one is S17 Pro 53 seconds. Now we got another one is the Bitmain Antminer S17 Pro 50th Bitcoin miner, which is a little bit less than the other Pro 53th edition. This is the 50th edition. So let's take a look on it. This got plenty of reviews, 47 customer reviews, and all there are 5 so let's take a look on it. Okay, right here 3 and 4 fans in it, 12 watt and Ethernet connection along with it. This is a little bit less heavy compared to the other device. Like this one is a 9,500 grams, which is a lot lower than the other one, and it is also a powerful device because when you see that it's a 7nm chip, and in the same month this was launched on April 2019. So last one but not the least in the list is the Bitcoin Antminer S17E 64th edition, and which costs you about $1,690. So let's take a look on it, and it will have a power of 2,880 watt, which is I think very good amount of power that you have. 4 fans in it, 7nm chip, but this was launched way after than the other devices, because this one is launched in November 2019, and other similar features right here, 7nm chip, but the chip name is different from the other ones. So I think this one is also have their own marketplace, and also 30 customer reviews, which is almost all are full. So I think this one is a very handy. These all 4s are good devices for you. So if you want to buy these out, link in the description below, must check it out. So that's all from me. I'll hit you in the next one. Till next time, goodbye.